Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need a supported iPad and an Apple ID. Once you confirm iOS and connectivity, sign into your Apple ID in Settings. Next, open Settings, scroll to Game Center, and toggle it on. This registers your device with Apple's multiplayer service, so you can use leaderboards and invites. If you have multiple accounts, make sure the one shown is the one you want. Otherwise, sign out and sign in with the correct Apple ID. Once done, proceed to customize your profile and privacy settings for games. Now configure your Game Center profile so games recognize you. Set a display name and optional nickname. This is how friends see you. Then make privacy choices. Allow nearby players, accept friend requests, or restrict invites. This controls who can find or challenge you. Also check which apps are permitted to use Game Center and revoke access if needed. These steps matter because privacy and social settings determine matchmaking, invitations, and data sharing across games, so pick settings that match your comfort level. Finish by launching a Game Center-enabled game and confirming you appear online. Sign in when prompted, accept any permissions, and try a quick multiplayer or leaderboard sync. If it fails, restart the iPad, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and make sure iOS is up to date. These steps resolve most account sync problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if Game Center won't connect, disable VPN or proxy and verify Apple system status. Network blocks are often the culprit, so confirm Wi-Fi and cellular access.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.